Leave the stumps. I want to carve them into tiki.
Can't leave the stumps.
Leave them. I'll carve them.
What's that?
Drop her. Oh, I got so much battery life in here. Let's do it. Come on. This is basic for him.
What's the temperature of it?
That's what I said, but at least it's concrete. Do you think it would break it? I don't think it'd break it.
Oh yeah.
You think it'd break the big end cable?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, please. I don't even think he needs wedges for that thing. He's got some wedges. I think that thing's just going to come right down. Or is it to angle it the right way? Or?
Top.
Yeah.
And the new top angling into it.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
That's why you're not cutting the tree down.
Yeah, because if I did, I'd smash this bench and that one. I'd probably take out the recycle thing, take out their bay, the big truck in there. This is a piece of cake for Gordy. I think we could probably do that. I mean, it'd be sketchy if we did it, but we could probably figure it out. Don't you think? Me and you cut that tree, I bet you we could figure out which way to drop it. Maybe not as good as Gord. I mean, it comes to him naturally. I'd have to think about it for about an hour, put some ropes on it.
Yeah, I'd probably go with rope.
I'd go with rope, climb up, pull it. Probably not. That's a heavy tree. There's gonna be a lot of wood there. How tall is that? What, 75 feet? Something like that? 60 feet? Maybe 60. That looks different in there already. It's moving. So those are the only fir trees in Rotary Park. It's coming. Get ready to run. The baby trees for Gordy. You could do that one with his eyes closed. Better for the roof at Thrifty's too. There it goes. Oh, interesting. Nice. Perfect.